Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to install Android Studio in Windows 11. If you're into building Android apps for yourself or maybe for any other project or maybe you're just learning, then in this video, I'll show you how you can start this journey by installing Android Studio. So first you have to go to a browser and there you have to search for Android Studio download, or you can generally search for Android Studio. Then you will get its link by Android developers. Click onto that link and you will land onto its website. First you have to make sure you're logged in with your account. Then if you would like to, you can explore the website, and once you're done you have to come up and click onto this download option. Then it will show you this page. You can read all their terms and condition, and if you're okay with everything you can just simply download it. Then the downloading will start. This downloading will take a bit more time because it is around 1 GB, so we have to wait for it. And once it get installed you have to click onto it, and after that it may ask you for general options like we do get into an installation process. Once this pass on, then the installation will start. This will again take a bit more time. Once this loading gets done, then you have to click onto these next and finish options, and you have to move forward to the next options. Once you keep doing it, after that it will show you this page, and then you have to again get to their terms and condition and it will again start loading. So basically it also downloads some of its packs, so you have to just make sure that you install everything. There you have to click onto the standard option and then click on next. After that you have to click on next, then you can again have to click on next, and now you have to just simply accept their terms and condition. You can read all that, and you have to make sure that there are two options. You have to click onto these from the left side and then you have to accept it. Once you do it, then you will get the option for the next section. Once you click onto the next, then it will start installing some of its packs, so you have to wait for a while. Once it gets done, then you're ready to use it, and after that it will say welcome to Android Studio. That means it has been successfully installed and good to use. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.